Good afternoon, everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the computer graphics. So the graphics software is the collection of programs uh, that includes the programs to generate the images on the CRT screen, to manipulate the images and to accomplish various types of interaction between user and the system. So for that this CG has to be used. Computer graphics is the art of drawing pictures like a charts etc. using computer with the help of programming. The computer graphic made up of number of pixels. Pixels is the smallest addressable graphical unit represented on the computer screen. So it was invented, it was developed in the year of 1960s. So mainly this computer aided graphics, it is used to create the line or circle for like a in the design software. Okay, so factors to be considered for the designing gra- graphics software. There are six factors: simplicity, consistency, completeness, robust performance, economic, like six factors are there. We will discuss about these factors. First one, simplicity. The graphics software must be easy to use, so the user must easy to understand. Like if you want to create the line command means start and ending button with reference to the coordinate points, like that it will be easy means the user it can easily draw the drawings, so that it should be a simplicity. Then comes into the next the consistency. The package should operate in a consistent and predictable way to the user. Like if you want to create the rectangle means, so what are all the commands if you are given, it has to be create the solid object like a rectangular object, like a cube or some of the rectangular prism. So like the people has to be know, so like that the people has to predict the use of these commands what kind of output you can get, then only it will be easy. The okay, this is about the consistency. Then come into the next one, completeness. There should be a tolerant of minor instances of misuse the operator. Sometimes it may be due to the some problem, the uh, component uh, varies these dimensions, that should be limit in the manner. Okay, it should not more. Okay, so that is about the completeness. Then comes into the robust. The graphics system should be tolerant of minor instance misuse by the operator. So due to the unavoidable situation, what happens, some if you are given some, or if you done some mistake, and what happens, the complete software it will be closed over here. So that should and all should not happen over here. So what happens, like that if it will be closed means whatever the effort if you put, entire thing it will be wasted. So if you have done some minor mistake, it should be tolerate. That means that should not taken care in by the system. Okay, so that is about the robust. Then comes into the performance. With the limitation of system hardware, graphics software must perform with the high efficiency. So the software should be work in the high efficiency. If I are given the 10 distance of the line means it has to create 10 only, it should not create more than 10 Then comes into the economy. The graphic software should be very tolerable cost. If the cost it will be increases, that will be added into the material cost. So these are all the factors should be considered the designing the graphic software. Then comes into the next one, software configuration of graphic system. So in the diagram they shown the application database and application program and graphic package, graphic terminal, and user input devices. We will see one by one. First, we will discuss about the graphic package. So, it is a software supported system between the user and the system. It consists of input subroutines and output subroutines. So, in the input subroutines, it can accept the data and and commands from user and forward them to the application program. Okay, so it will be accept the uh, users command and it will be forward to the application program. That is the function of input subroutine. Then comes into the output subroutine. It controls the output devices like a monitor, and it converts the application model into the two-dimensional or three-dimensional graphical images. So whatever is required, according to that, it has to be changed and sent into the monitors. So there are two terminal routines over here: input routine and output. Input send the commands into the application program, but output routine, it receives the uh, it it receives the application models, and it is to be converted into the 2D or 3D graphical representation to the monitor over here. Then comes into the application program. In the application program, it controls the storage of data and retrieve the data and out of the application database. So usually it is going to store the commands in temporarily and to the application database, and the user works the application program through the graphic package. The user works the program with the help of this graphic package, and application programs develop the physical model into the graphical image. So the physical model they given in the drawing sheet, that it has to be developed into the graphic image in the with the help of the application program. Okay, so this is about the application models. Then comes into the application database. In the application database, it stores the mathematical, numerical, and logical definitions of the application models, and also it includes the alphanumerical information such as bill of material, mass properties, and other data, etc. So, like if going to give the, for example, if we take down the Solidity software, as you people are experienced the previous some third or fourth semester, what happens there? If you are giving the line, the length 25 plus 12 means it has to come. We can give it directly 37, or 25 plus 12 is given at the system itself. It will be add the value. Okay, so those things and all, it will be done with help of this application database. Okay, so it has to be done, and also it creates the bill of material column like a mass properties, how much mass it will be present over in the component. So those things has to be calculated over with help of this application database. So these are all the uh, uh, activities of software configuration of the graphic system.